I reckon I rely on my Hercules recovery gear probably more than anyone else in Australia. I'm using it week after week, filming for four-wheel drive action. This here's the Hercules Essential Recovery Kit, and it's got everything in it that you need to pull off just about any winch or snatch recovery when you're out four-wheel driving. You get an 8,000 kilo snatch strap, a 5,000 kilo 10 metre winch extension strap, a 10,000 kilo 3 metre tree trunk protector, snatch block, a pair of bow shackles, and a clever winch dampener that doubles as a carry bag to store all your recovery gear when it's not being used. Every bit of Hercules recovery gear is tested in NATA labs to ensure it well exceeds its load rating. And we're out using the gear every month filming for four-wheel drive action, so I can vouch for the fact it works in the real world too. I reckon if you're looking for a cracking recovery kit that's got everything you need for four-wheel drive recoveries and you can keep it in the back of your four-wheel drive with ease, the Hercules Essential Recovery Kit really is the way to go.